Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Decortalk, where we bring you creative ideas for transforming your bathroom bathroom decor designs into a cozy and stylish century. In today's video, we will be sharing 5 inspiring designs, bedroom, bathroom decor designs ideas that will help you create the perfect retreat and reservations. So let's get started. Train Minimalist embrace the simplicity by adopting the minimalist approach to your bathroom decor designs. Opt for clean lines, natural colors, palettes, and clutter-free spaces. Use essentials and different pieces that tiles that both functional and aesthetically proposes for different colors and different colors and lights, wall colors and earth colors, like difference for mirrors colors and standing colors are uploaded for you. Use essential furnitures, clusters, and clever storage solutions to maintain a serene and triangular atmospheres. Infuse your bathrooms with bohemian charm by incorporate vibrant colors, integrate pattern, and a mix of textures. Add decorative tapestries and different like rugs and towels, like shampoos and different cheesy instant in the stand for hang in the stand and like see and different plants in it for decoration pieces. Incorporate natural elements and make rhymes to create a relaxed and electric vibe. Do not forget to include cozy sitting areas and soft lighting to complete the boho look. Create a beach inspired retreat in your bathroom coastal decor theme. Choose a color palette inspired by the ocean, such as a soft blues, sandy naturals, and crisp white. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.